Hello, my fellow oddities, and welcome back to another special holiday episode. If this is your first time, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and take a visit to my website. There's all sorts of stuff on there to help support me. And with that out of the way now, we'll get right into today's episode. So, just like with the Merry Christmas one, we are going to start off with just some basic green background, and I just used a filbert brush to spread it all around, and then a dry sponge to give me a nice kind of texture to it. After that, I just went through with my comb brush and added in my same stripes with just the basic green, same green, and then just a little bit of titanium white added on the second coat. For the block in, we're doing exactly as before. We're going to use just some cadmium red with a very little bit of titanium white mixed in. And for the gold color, we're going to use the exact same tone of red mixed in with a bunch of yellow. right, that's going to about do it for today's episode and the block in. If you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. All right, if this is your first time, please remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Also, make sure you visit that website, and we'll see you back here in episode 2.